Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we're going to discuss a topic that many may find sensitive but is an important part of many people's lives, intimacy. In the grand tapestry of human experiences, intimacy holds a place of unrivaled importance. It's the thread that weaves itself through the heart of every relationship, binding us together in a dance as old as time itself. Yet for many, this dance can sometimes feel a little out of step. Enter Viagra, a name that has become synonymous with a solution, a remedy for those seeking to reignite the spark in their relationships. It's a medication that has helped millions of individuals around the world, each with their unique stories and experiences. Today, we're going to delve into the world of Viagra to understand its role in enhancing intimacy. That's right, we're talking about Viagra. So, stick around to learn more about this widely known medication. Viagra, also known by its generic name sildenafil, is a medication that's been around for quite some time. Now you might be surprised to learn that this little blue pill wasn't initially conceived as a solution for erectile dysfunction. In fact, it was originally developed with a completely different aim in mind: to treat cardiovascular conditions, specifically a heart condition known as angina pectoris and hypertension. The scientists at Pfizer, a pharmaceutical company, were working on creating a medicine that could expand blood vessels, thus improving blood flow to the heart. However, during the clinical trials, it was observed that while the drug wasn't as effective in treating heart conditions as initially hoped, there was an unexpected but significant side effect. Many male participants reported a marked improvement in their ability to achieve and sustain an erection. This remarkable discovery set the stage for a pivot in the drug's purpose. The researchers realized they had on their hands a potential solution for a problem that affects millions of men worldwide: erectile dysfunction. This condition, often referred to as ED, is a common issue where a man finds it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection suitable for sexual intercourse. Following this revelation, Pfizer shifted its focus and began developing the drug as a treatment for erectile dysfunction. After rigorous testing and trials, Viagra was approved by the Food and Drug Administration in the United States in the late 90s, becoming the first oral treatment approved to treat erectile dysfunction in the United States. Since then, Viagra has become a household name, known for its ability to assist men in overcoming the challenges of ED. It works by enhancing blood flow to certain areas of the body, particularly to the male reproductive organ. This allows men to achieve and maintain an erection, thus enhancing their sexual performance. This discovery led to the development of Viagra as a treatment for erectile dysfunction, helping men achieve and maintain an erection. Now, you might be wondering, how does Viagra work? The mechanics of this medication are quite intriguing, and it all has to do with how it interacts with our body's natural processes. Let's start with the basics. When a man is sexually stimulated, a compound called nitric oxide is released into the penile tissue. This nitric oxide then triggers a series of chemical reactions, one of which results in the production of a substance known as cyclic guanosine monophosphate, or CGMP for short. Now, CGMP is the star player in this process. It's the one responsible for relaxing the smooth muscle tissue in the penis, allowing the blood vessels to dilate or widen. When these vessels widen, blood is able to flow more easily into the penile tissue, leading to an erection. But here's the catch: there's another substance in the body called PDE5, which is responsible for breaking down CGMP. When there's too much PDE5, not enough CGMP can stick around to do its job, and the erection may not be as firm or may not last as long as desired. And this is where Viagra steps in. Viagra is what's known as a PDE5 inhibitor. It works by blocking the action of PDE5, allowing CGMP to remain in the body for longer. With more CGMP available, the muscles in the penis can stay relaxed for a longer period of time, allowing for improved blood flow. So in essence, Viagra doesn't create an erection on its own. Instead, it supports the body's natural responses to sexual stimulation by enhancing the effects of CGMP. It's a gentle nudge, if you will, to help things along when they might be a bit sluggish. And that's essentially how Viagra works. It's not magic but science, a clever utilization of the body's own chemistry to help enhance one of its natural functions. This increased blood flow is what helps men achieve and sustain an erection, supporting a more satisfying and fulfilling intimate experience. Viagra isn't just for one specific age group or type of person. Indeed, this powerful little pill has proven to be a beacon of hope for a diverse range of individuals. From young adults to seniors, Viagra has been used by men across a wide age spectrum, helping them overcome challenges related to sexual performance. It's important to understand that erectile dysfunction isn't exclusive to older men. It can affect men of all ages due to a variety of factors. Stress, for instance, can play a significant role in causing sexual dysfunction. The pressures of modern life can sometimes become too overwhelming, leading to issues in the bedroom. In such instances, Viagra can be a helpful tool, allowing men to regain control and restore their confidence. Health conditions such as diabetes, heart disease, or high blood pressure can also cause erectile dysfunction. Men with these conditions often find it difficult to achieve or maintain an erection, which can lead to frustration and a loss of self-esteem. Viagra, in these cases, can be a game changer, helping to boost blood flow and enhance performance. Moreover, it's worth noting that Viagra can be beneficial for men who have undergone prostate surgery. The procedure can sometimes result in sexual dysfunction, and Viagra can help mitigate these effects, offering men a renewed sense of vitality. Even psychological factors like anxiety or depression can lead to difficulties in achieving an erection. The mind plays a crucial role in sexual arousal, and mental health issues can sometimes disrupt this process. Viagra can help bridge this gap, providing a boost where it's needed most. Lastly, let's not forget that Viagra can also be beneficial for men who simply want to enhance their sexual experiences. Some men use Viagra not because they have difficulties, but simply because they want to boost their performance, prolong their stamina, or ensure a more reliable erection. Whether it's due to age, stress, or underlying health conditions, Viagra has provided relief for many, offering a chance to enjoy a more active and fulfilling sex life. Now, like any medication, it's crucial to consider safety. Viagra, while a potential game changer for many, is no exception to this rule. It's essential to understand that while it has been a catalyst for reigniting the spark in countless relationships, it is a medication, and, like any other, it may come with its share of potential side effects. Most commonly, some individuals may experience mild headaches or facial flushing. In some cases, there might be digestive issues or a stuffy nose. These side effects are generally mild and often disappear as your body gets used to the medication. However, it's important to listen to your body and report any discomfort to your healthcare provider. While these side effects might sound concerning, let's put it into perspective. For many, the benefits of this medication far outweigh these minor discomforts. But this isn't to downplay the importance of being aware and vigilant. The key here is balance and understanding that every medication has its pros and cons. Now you might be wondering, is Viagra right for me? Well, the answer isn't as simple as a yes or no. It's a decision that should be made after a detailed discussion with a healthcare professional. They will take into account your overall health, any underlying conditions you might have, and any other medications you're currently on. This is to ensure that Viagra will not only be effective for you, but also safe. It's also worth noting that Viagra isn't a magic pill that works in isolation. It's part of a bigger picture that includes your overall health, both physical and emotional, and your relationship dynamics. So, it's crucial to have open and honest conversations with your healthcare provider and your partner. In conclusion, safety must always be a priority. As with any medication, it's essential to be well informed about possible side effects and to consult with a healthcare professional. Remember, they're there to guide you and ensure that the benefits of the medication outweigh the risks. Your doctor will help determine if Viagra is the right choice for you based on your medical history and any other medications you may be taking. Deciding to try Viagra is a personal choice that should be made in consultation with a healthcare provider. It's a decision that should not be taken lightly, and it's certainly not a one-size-fits-all solution. It requires careful consideration and an open dialogue about your physical health, emotional well-being, and intimate life. In this journey, your partner plays an essential role. Open, honest, and empathetic communication can make all the difference. Discuss your thoughts, concerns, and expectations. Remember, it's not just about you alone. Your decision impacts both of you, shaping your shared intimate experiences. Getting professional advice is equally crucial. Doctors can provide valuable insights, assess your health condition, and guide you through potential risks and benefits. Their expertise can help you weigh your options and make an informed decision. Ultimately, it's about finding what works best for you, tailored to your unique needs and circumstances. Open communication with your partner is key, and seeking professional advice ensures you make an informed decision that's right for you.